This progressive manufacturing facility in near Nagpur, Maharashtra is a shining example of sustainable production. They've transitioned to a solar-powered rooftop installation, reducing their carbon footprint and energy costs. However, managing warranties for the thousands of panels proved to be a headache. In a fast-paced energy management environment, keeping track of individual warranties of tens of thousands of modules, inverters, and various power equipment was a logistical nightmare. The constant risk of missing claim deadlines due to misplaced documentation threatened to disrupt their green initiative's financial benefits. They needed a way to automate warranty management without adding extra burden to their busy operations. The answer: a cloud-based robo-asset manager that streamlines day-to-day operations. Introducing FutrOS, a solar asset management software built for managing and automating clean energy plant operations. With FutrOS, technicians can easily monitor warranty triggers, file claims with evidence, and reach out to the OEMs with a strong claim case in a couple of clicks. FutrOS automatically monitors warranty conditions and generates smart alerts when any of the claim triggers come true. The platform additionally pre-populates claim forms and connects with the OEMs with incident reports to expedite claim redressal. Automating warranty management helped the developer with a 50% reduction in warranty claim processing time and remarkable 98% reduction in manual paperwork. Additionally, the claims were filed with evidential incident reports that made claim settlement easier and faster.